Today's tour from Inverness has an Outlander flavor, information at the end of the video, but first...
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. With me, let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. Down the road, there's sunshine and light. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you.
Have a joy glorious day, I'm Lawrence from Italy and my goal is to show you beautiful places around the world through my curious human perspective. If you enjoy this kind of content, give it a like and subscribe, it really helps this project grow. Welcome to the second part of the video where I'll tell you in a few words what happened during this amazing trip. The bus left Inverness at 8:15 in the morning. After a short stop to say hello to these two hairy friends, we reached the starting point of the Jacobite Loch Ness cruise. Of course, we were on the lookout for Nessie. Unfortunately, I wasn't so lucky that day. I only found a small replica of the famous monster. The cruise led us to the magnificent Urquhart Castle, one of my absolute favorites from this trip. Even in ruins, it's such a powerful place. You can almost imagine what life was like here in 17th century. After a quick stop, we continued to the little village of Bewley, where I enjoyed a meal and visited its beautiful old church, peaceful, quiet and full of charm. The final stops of the tour were all Outlander themed and deeply rooted in Scottish history. First, the mysterious Clava Cairns, a 4,000-year-old burial site surrounded by ancient stones, and then the battlefield of Culloden. Yeah, Culloden was my favorite moment of all. Even though it's just an open field with flags, you can feel history there, especially if you also visit the museum and walk in silence for a while. I truly love this tour. I had so much fun reading about these historic places and feeling their stories come alive. Anyway, the video ends here. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon for another adventure. In the meantime, cheers!